How to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Binance. Now, first of all, open your Phantom Wallet app and make sure to log into your wallet. Now, after that, click on send, as you can see. Now, select your token that you want to transfer, for example, Solana. Now, go back. So, after you select your token, now open your Binance app. Now, after that, we need to get to withdrawal address of the token that we select. In this case, it will be Solana. Now, open your Binance app and make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on Assets and select the spot from the top bar and click on Deposit. Now, in the search bar, select your token. In this case, it will be Solana. So, after you find your Solana token, now click on it. Now, as you can see here, select the network as Solana because Phantom Wallet only accept this Solana network. Now tap on OK. Now you can copy the withdrawal address of your token and go back and open your Phantom Wallet app. Now after that, click on your Solana token, and as you can see here, provide the withdrawal address that you copied, and now click on next. So after that, what you need to do, you can type the amount that you want to transfer. For example, we want to transfer like 1 Solana. So after that, because I don't have any fund, I can tap on next. So for you, just tap on next, and now we can confirm the transfer. So in about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Binance account. So this is how to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Binance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.